Hello everyone, my name is Rehan Umar Said Arahab, and now I want to tell a story, and the title of the story is Diki Satrio, the Guardian of Light. In a peaceful city, there lived an ordinary teenager named is Diki Satrio. To everyone around him, he was just a normal student. However, inside his backpack was a mysterious crystal that glowed with the power of light. One afternoon, the sky suddenly turned dark. Clouds rolled into a giant vortex, followed by the appearance of a stone monster that stopped along the streets, making the ground shake. Residents trembled to save as emergency siren blared across the city. Dicky saw the panic. Without a word, he tripped the glowing object in his hand. In an instant, while light enveloped his body, a burst of energy shot into the sky, and the giant hero clad in red, silver, and blue apparel. The monster attacked first with a powerful punch, but Dicky dodged quickly and countered with a spinning kick. The impact shook the ground like an earthquake. The battle continued across the empty street as Dicky carefully kept the monster away from the civilians. The monsters unleashed a blast of dark energy. Dicky formed a shield of light that successfully held it back. However, his power began to wane. The light on his chest flickered, a signal that his time to fight was running out. Knowing he had only one chance left, Dicky gathered all of his remaining power. Bright ray of light flowed into his hand, creating a glowing beam that illuminated the entire sky.
This is the end.
A beam of energy shot straight toward the monster in an instant. The monsters stopped moving, then slowly transformed into a light and vanished along with the dark clouds enveloping it. The people cheered as the danger was finally over. Before anyone could discover the hero's true identity, the giant warrior faded into a beam of light. Moments later, Dicky was standing alone in a quiet alley, wearing his school uniform once again. He smiled softly, adjusted his backpack, and walked home as if nothing had happened. The moral lesson that we can draw from the story is true heroes are not measured by their strength or special power, but by their courage to protect others and do what is right. Diki Satrio teaches us that even an ordinary person can make extraordinary difference through kindness, responsibility, and determination. No matter how difficult challenge is, we should never give up or lose hope. Okay, I think that's all that I can say about the story. See you next time. Sayonara. Bye bye.